Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Renegade Platinum on Android. First, you will need a Nintendo DS emulator for your Android device. Drawstick DS emulator is widely considered one of the best options, providing smooth gameplay on many devices. While it may not be on the Play Store, other excellent free choices include Melon DS or Lemuride. These emulators allow you to play Nintendo DS games with features like save states and customizable controls, making your experience much more enjoyable. Next, you will need two essential game files. First, find a clean Pokémon Platinum ROM file, which should be in the NDS format. This is the base game that will be modified. Second, download the Renegade Platinum patch file. This patch contains all the custom changes for the hack. Make sure both files are stored in a location on your Android device that you can easily find later, such as a dedicated ROM folder. Now it is time to patch your game. You will need a ROM patcher application, which can be found on the Google Play Store. Open the patcher and select your clean Pokémon Platinum NDS ROM as the original file. Then, choose the Renegade Platinum patch file you downloaded. Apply the patch, and the application will create a new, modified ROM file. This new file is your playable Renegade Platinum game, ready for action. Finally, launch your Nintendo DS emulator. Within the emulator, you will need to browse to the location where you saved your newly patched Renegade Platinum ROM file. Once you locate it, simply select the file to load the game. You are now ready to experience the exciting world of Renegade Platinum on your Android device, complete with its many new Pokémon and challenging battles. Have fun on your adventure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.